Have you ever noticed how Netflix gives you a little heads up when you're about to finish a season of a show? Something like only 2 episodes left or 2 more episodes to go. It's a small touch, but it does a great job of setting expectations. So I thought, why not bring that into Storyline? Imagine you're building an e-learning module, and as learners progress, they get a quick message like, only 2 slides left or final slide coming up. It makes it easier for them to get their bearings. To make this work, we will need 3 storyline variables. First off, we need these two. This one will store the total number of slides in our project, and this one will track which slide we are on. Now, Storyline already has built-in variables for these, but I can't get them and set them using JavaScript, so that's why we need to create these other 2 variables, transfer the info to them, and then I can use them in my JavaScript code in order to get the information I need. So to do that, I will have just 2 simple triggers on my master slide. These will run when the timeline starts and assign the values from Storyline's built-in variables to our custom ones. This way we always have an up-to-date slide count. And finally, we need a third variable, which is this one. This is where we will store the message we want to display, and I will expose this variable on the master slide by inserting a reference in a text box. Now let's jump to the JavaScript part. We will add an execute JavaScript trigger again on the master slide, so it will run on every slide. And here is what the script does. First off, we grab our 3 variables, then we calculate how many slides there are left by subtracting the current slide from the total number of slides. Now here's where we define our logic using a switch statement. And this is how it reads. If we have 2 or 3 slides left, I have this message here saying there are only 2 slides remaining or only 3 slides remaining, depending on what value my slides left variable has here. So this is a very scalable approach in the event you want to add more cases to the switch statement. And then we have the case where there is only 1 slide left, and I chose to display another message here. And all of the other cases fall under the default case here. So whether the number of slides left is 0 or any other number except the ones listed here, meaning 1, 2, and 3, the text variable will be empty. This is an empty string here, so no spaces or anything. And that's it. Now, as learners move through the course, Storyline will dynamically update the message based on how many slides there are left. So this is a really simple way to improve navigation and make your course feel just a bit more reactive. Thank you for watching.